If you're relying on Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, recent policy changes by the Social Security Administration, SSA, may affect your payments. Starting April 14th, 2025, the SSA will require in-person identity verification for certain services, including new applications for retirement, survivors, or auxiliary benefits, as well as changes to direct deposit information. This means that if you cannot use the online My Social Security account, you'll need to visit a local SSA office to verify your identity. Additionally, the SSA plans to reduce its workforce by 7,000 employees and close 6 of its 10 regional offices. These cuts could significantly affect nearly 69 million Americans who receive Social Security benefits, potentially causing payment disruptions and longer wait times for assistance. These changes have raised concerns among advocacy groups, with AARP highlighting a startling and sudden decline in customer service and warning of more disruptions to come. At Financial Area, we aim to keep you informed about these developments. If you haven't already, consider creating a My Social Security account online to manage your benefits more efficiently and avoid in-person visits. Stay tuned as we continue to provide updates on this evolving situation. Starting April 14th, 2025, the Social Security Administration, SSA, will implement new in-person identity verification requirements. This change primarily affects individuals who need to apply for new benefits, update direct deposit information, or make other critical changes to their Social Security accounts. For those who do not have access to the online My Social Security portal, this new policy mandates that they visit an SSA field office for identity verification. This is an effort to enhance security and prevent fraud, but it also introduces significant challenges for individuals who rely on these benefits, especially those who face difficulty accessing SSA offices due to location, transportation, or other personal barriers. In-person verification may lead to delays in processing claims, as applicants must now schedule an appointment and wait for confirmation before they can complete the process. For some, this could mean a lengthy waiting period before receiving the benefits they are entitled to. Additionally, with the SSA reducing its workforce by 7,000 employees, fewer staff members will be available to assist individuals at the local offices, leading to even longer wait times for appointments and processing. The SSA's decision to cut staff amid an already high demand for services raises concerns about how quickly they can process new claims and service requests. Many beneficiaries are also facing issues related to their current direct deposit arrangements. For instance, if individuals need to change their direct deposit information, they may be required to visit a local SSA office to verify their identity in person, creating further inconvenience. These new verification rules could disrupt timely payments for individuals who rely on SSDI benefits to meet their day-to-day expenses, potentially causing financial strain if delays extend beyond the usual payment cycles. As the SSA implements these changes, it is essential to recognize that these modifications are not only about adding security measures, but also about addressing increasing levels of fraud and identity theft. However, the impact on SSDI beneficiaries cannot be underestimated, especially considering the strain that already exists on the Social Security system. The additional layer of bureaucracy could leave many beneficiaries struggling to receive their payments in a timely manner, forcing them to navigate a complex system at a time when they can least afford to face such delays. The recent changes introduced by the SSA are already creating noticeable disruptions in the payment process for SSDI recipients. One of the most immediate impacts is the growing backlog of claims, with applicants now facing an average wait time of over 7 months just to receive an initial eligibility determination. This delay is particularly alarming for individuals who are newly disabled or whose financial situation has taken a sudden downturn. In many cases, beneficiaries are left without critical income for months, while their applications are stuck in administrative limbo, creating unnecessary hardship for people who are already among the most vulnerable. Adding to the frustration, SSA's customer service infrastructure is under significant strain. Callers are frequently met with busy signals or extremely long hold times when trying to get updates on their cases or report payment issues. With staffing reductions in full effect and several regional offices closing, there simply aren't enough representatives to handle the volume of inquiries coming in each day. This lack of access to reliable assistance compounds the issue for SSDI beneficiaries who are trying to understand the status of their payments or resolve errors in their benefit amounts. Furthermore, changes to direct deposit details have become particularly troublesome. Any update to banking information now triggers a higher level of scrutiny, especially if it cannot be processed online. As a result, beneficiaries trying to switch banks or correct account details may face delays that can result in missed or returned payments. For people living paycheck to paycheck, even a short delay can mean falling behind on rent, missing medical treatments, or struggling to pay for basic necessities like food and utilities. In many parts of the country, the requirement for in-person verification has led to overcrowded SSA offices, especially in urban areas where the demand is highest. People report waiting in lines for hours, only to be told to reschedule or return another day due to limited staff or office closures. This chaos is not only affecting new applicants, but also existing beneficiaries who need to make routine changes to their records. The increased demand and limited capacity have created a bottleneck that further slows the entire payment system, making it harder for people to receive the support they are entitled to under federal law. In the face of these delays and service disruptions, there are several steps SSDI recipients can take to better navigate the current situation. First and foremost, staying informed is critical. Beneficiaries should regularly visit the official Social Security Administration website, where updates regarding policy changes, office hours, and expected delays are frequently posted. The SSA often shares key announcements that can help individuals plan accordingly, especially when it comes to appointment scheduling or submitting time-sensitive documents. Another important strategy is utilizing the SSA's online services as much as possible. Creating and managing a My Social Security account allows users to view benefit information, make certain changes to their profile, and access a wide range of services without needing to visit a field office. For those who already have internet access and are comfortable navigating online platforms, this can significantly reduce the risk of delays and eliminate the need for in-person verification in many cases. It's one of the most efficient ways to stay on top of benefit updates and prevent unnecessary interruptions. For individuals who still need to speak directly with an SSA representative, it's recommended to call during off-peak hours, such as early mornings or late afternoons, to increase the chances of getting through. It may also help to document any communication attempts, including dates, times, and names of representatives spoken to, which can be useful if follow-up is required. In regions where local offices remain open, calling ahead to confirm hours and availability can save time and reduce the likelihood of showing up only to be turned away due to high demand or staff shortages. Community resources can also offer support. Disability advocacy organizations, local legal aid groups, and social service agencies often assist individuals with navigating the SSA process. These organizations may help prepare paperwork, provide advice, or even connect people with SSA liaisons who can expedite certain issues. For many beneficiaries, seeking assistance through these channels has made the difference between prolonged delays and timely resolutions. Although the current environment poses real challenges, proactive measures can help minimize the disruptions. Beneficiaries who take time to understand the new requirements, make use of digital tools, and reach out for community support are more likely to maintain steady access to their benefits despite the ongoing changes.